Welcome back to chemistry lab. This is our chemistry lab. You can see. Now today I will going to demonstrate you about the Cleveland Open Cup apparatus. So this is our next practical. Come closer. So this is the Cleveland Open Cup apparatus. As you can see, this is open cup because the oil cup is open. Now let me first tell you for what we are using this apparatus. This is the apparatus which we use to check the flash point and fire point of a lubricating oil. Now what is flash point? Flash point is that minimum temperature at which oil ignites for a moment. And the fire point is that minimum temperature at which oil catches the fire. Now since we know that lubricant is an hydrocarbon, so as we increase the temperature of the lubricant, what will happen? The hydrocarbon, that is carbon and hydrogen part of the hydrocarbon, will oxidize. And the vapors of these oxides will come and mix with the atmospheric oxygen. Since the apparatus is open, so vapor will going to mix with the atmospheric oxygen. As a result of which, the mixture will form which is volatile in nature. When sufficient amount of vapors are developed, then we will check the vapors for its flash point and fire point. So what we need to do, let us first see the apparatus. This is the apparatus. It has a metallic body. It has an oil cup which is open. Hence the apparatus is known as Cleveland Open Cup apparatus. To this oil cup, this is again it is made up of brass. The calculated quantity, actually it is mark is here, you can see. Till the mark we need to fill this oil cup with a lubricating oil. Now this oil cup has to be heated with the heater. So in this apparatus we need to do the direct heating of the oil. We need to connect this Cleveland Open Cup apparatus with the outer circuit. After connecting, we will going to put this oil cup over the heater. Now we are going to switch on the circuit. Now we can use this dimmer to get the temperature of required range. You can see here the range is from 0 to 100 degree. When the system will stabilize, the red light will automatically off. As you can see in that apparatus. Now, once the oil is heated, we need to check the flash point. Now first reading, we need to take it for room temperature. So what we need to do, we can check the temperature. This is the room temperature is right now 25 degrees Celsius. So as you can see, there are no vapors. So obviously we will not get any kind of flash. But then too, for checking the flash, what we need to do, we need to ignite a flame and we need to brought it near the surface of the oil. As you can see, the flame is off. It means that there is no flash point observed. Now what we will going to do? We will going to raise the temperature of this apparatus. Now for every 5 degree rise in temperature, we will going to check the flash point. Since this is an open cup apparatus, so the lubricant which we use here generally have a flash point of 150 degree or around 200 degree. Since I need to show you the flash point, so I have already heated one apparatus. So here the temperature is about 200 degrees Celsius, as you can see. So let us check for the flash point. So what I need to do, I will just ignite a flame and we're going to bring near the surface of the oil. As you can see that the flame increases the size. So this is the flash point. We can also use the spirit lamp for doing so. So I will going to heat up this stick and will use this stick to check the flash point. Look, the flash is observed since the flame is increasing its size. So this is the flash point of the oil. And finally, the fire. So this is how we will get the fire point. So at this time we need to check the temperature of the thermometer. As you can see, the temperature is 240 degree. So at 240 degree, the oil catches fire. So this is that minimum temperature at which oil catches fire. You can see the vapor formation at the surface of the oil. Now, how we can confirm that the reading which we have taken is the correct? So, for that, we need to take the reverse order of the reading. Now, as the highest temperature is 240 degree, so I will let the instrument to cool down. So, I have switched off the circuit. I will again place this thermometer. Now, temperature is at present it is 240. As the temperature goes down, we will again check the ignition of the oil. So, the last temperature, till the last temperature at which we will get the ignition, it will be its flash point. And the last temperature at which we get the fire will be confirmed as a fire point. Actually, what a point means, here point means a minimum temperature. For example, say if I got a fire at 240 degrees Celsius, so it indicates that at 241 also I will get a fire, at 242 also I will get a fire, means above 240 I will get a fire. So 240 will be considered as the minimum temperature, that is below which I will get the flash point and above which I will get a fire point. So this is how the practical is done. Thank you so much.